Good morning and welcome. This is a 15-minute yoga practice to awaken your body and mind and start your day with good energy. Let's get started in thunderbolt position, sitting on your heels. If this position is uncomfortable for your knees or ankles, you can cross your legs instead. Interlace your fingers. Reach your arms forward and turn your palms towards you. Take a big inhale, flip your palms up, press them up to the ceiling, lift your gaze. As you exhale around the back, turn your palms towards you again, drop chin to the chest. Inhale, press your palms up, lift your heart, lift your gaze, lean slightly back. And exhale around the back, drop chin to chest. A few more times in the rhythm of the breath, keep moving through this cat and cow variation, warming up and waking up your spine. One more full round. Inhale, press your palms up, lift your heart. Exhale, chin to chest, round the upper back. Inhale, lift your arms up. Exhale, release arms down by your sides. And roll your shoulders back a few times. Release your hands down to your thighs. Drop chin to chest and start gently moving your head in one direction, making a circle. Keep your shoulders relaxed. Change direction, move to the other side. Gentle head circles. And slowly bring your head back to center. Make your way into tabletop position onto your hands and knees. Position your hands underneath the shoulders, knees under the hips. 4 big arm circles with a twist. On the inhale, reach your left arm forward and up. Exhale, circle it back and down. Moving again with the breath, inhale forward and up. Exhale, circle the arm back and down. A few more rounds, keep moving and gently twisting in the upper back. Release your left arm down underneath the shoulder. Straighten your right leg, stacking the right hip over the left. And reach your right arm over the head for a big side stretch. Turn your head up towards the ceiling. Brace into the right side. And slowly return back to tabletop. Same arm circles on the other side. With inhale, reach your right arm forward and up. Exhale, back and down. Try to follow your hand with your gaze, twisting in the upper back. One more round. And release your right arm down. Side stretch on the other side. Straighten your left leg, reach your left arm up and over the head. Take one more full breath here. And return back to tabletop position. Tuck your toes under and send your hips back and up into your first downward facing dog. Move here, straighten and bend the legs one by one, maybe shift the hips side to side, maybe shake your head. Try to find the movement that feels good in the morning. And if you prefer staying still, you can do that instead. From downward facing dog, walk your feet to the top of the mat and slowly roll all the way up to standing. With inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, palms together to your heart. From here, step your left leg back into warrior one. Turn your left foot slightly out. Bend the front knee. Ground down through the heels and reach your arms up towards the sky. You can keep your palms facing towards each other or bring them together if that works. Keep lifting up through the heart, maybe lean slightly back into a back bend. One more inhale, reach your fingertips higher. Exhale, release arms down by the sides and interlace fingers behind your back. Squeeze your shoulder blades together, reach your palms away from the lower back. Big breath to lift your heart high. And slowly release your fingers. Inhale, reach your arms up again. Exhale, open into warrior two. Adjust your heels in one line, reach your arms out in line with the shoulders, and stay strong through your legs, pressing the feet down into the floor. Triangle pose, straighten your right leg, release your right hand down to the shin and reach your left arm up. Take one full breath here. Inhale back to warrior two. Exhale, bring your left hand down, drop your left knee to the floor and reach your right arm up. Low lunge twist. With inhale, turn your chest more to the ceiling, lean slightly back. Exhale, release your right hand down and step your left foot forward into standing forward bend. Inhale, reach your arms out and up, look up. Exhale, palms together to your heart. Other side, step your right foot back into warrior one. Bend the front knee, ground down through the heels. And when you feel stable, reach your arms to the ceiling. Take one more inhale, lean slightly back in the upper back. Exhale, interlace fingers behind your back. Squeeze the shoulder blades together, lift up through the heart and pull your hands away from the back. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, open into warrior two. Find a nice long stride that feels comfortable but also a little bit challenging. Triangle pose, straighten the left leg, release your left hand down and reach your right arm up. One strong breath. Inhale back to warrior 2. Exhale, right hand down, right knee down, and left arm reaches up for a twist. Inhale, open up more into twist. Exhale, left hand down, make your way forward into standing forward bend. Slowly raise up, take one more big inhale, reach your fingertips to the ceiling. Exhale, palms together to your heart. For a balancing part, let's do a tree pose. Bring your left foot to your ankle, shin, or inner thigh. Press your palms together in front of your heart. Keep lifting up through the crown of the head and grounding down through your standing leg. Focus your gaze in front of you or down on the floor. Release and get ready for the other side. Bring your right foot to the ankle, shin, or inner thigh. Press your palms together. Press your right foot into your standing leg and lift up through your heart, through the crown of the head. Standing up nice and tall. Good job, slowly release this side. Find a mountain pose with your feet together or parallel to each other. Inhale, sweep your arms out and up. Exhale, fold down into forward bend. Hands to shins, inhale halfway up, pull your chest forward. Exhale, hands down, step back into downward facing dog. Press the floor away, press the sit bones up to the ceiling. Taking a couple deep breaths into the chest, side ribs. Then find your way into a cross-legged seat to slowly cool down after this practice. Relax your hands to the knees, relax your shoulders away from the ears and gently close your eyes. Bring awareness to your breath. Notice how you are breathing after this short practice. Try to calm down and deepen your breath. Inhale all the way down into the belly. And exhaling slowly through the nose. Inhale, reach the crown of the head up to the sky. Exhale, ground down through the sit bones. Inhale and exhale. With your next inhale, reach your arms out and up. Exhale, palms together to your heart. Thank yourself for taking these 15 minutes to start your day on the right note. And when you're ready, open your eyes. Thank you so much for practicing with me. I hope you are ready to start your day. I wish you a great day and see you soon in the next video. Bye!